I agree. We were discussing that only. We just realized that we've fraud with a lot of F&B businesses, and just ClickWalk is sab Shetty hai. Alright, wow guys, you guys are here. I was just gonna have lunch. So let's do one thing. Can we have a nice thali, tawa neer dosa, a coriander cucumber dosa, and I think that should be enough for the time being. Shall we begin? Yeah. Well, I'm Surat Shetty. I'm the founder of Banana Leaf. It's taken a long time, but it's not been an easy journey. It's taken a long time. So my dad was in industrial catering, but I always felt that I should get into restaurants and F&B industry because roots tha na yaar. The root was in the blood. So we had a restaurant called oh wow, very nice. So this thali has got a nice Malabar curry with appam. It has got dahi. This is porichin. This is sukka, that is bengan sukka, rasam bada. This is the mixed vegetable. This is the dal, and this is the heap. Industry mein, I did my hotel after doing my graduation, I did my hotel management, and uske baad I was lucky enough that I got a very good site in Juhu where we started a brand called Salt and Pepper. Okay, so that is where I started my career from in the year 1994. Salt and Pepper start किया, उसके बाद हमको एक break भी लग गया था because we opened a second Salt and Pepper in the year 97. But that didn't click so much. In the year 2001, we partnered with our very close associates from Mahesh Lunch Home. And we started Mahesh Lunch Home in 2001. And then in 2005, we started a brand called Malgudi. So like how I told you, we thought about, when I got this place, we thought about starting something which will get people into a little fine dining experience in a South Indian format. Yeah, so basically the idea was about giving an experience to people with a very traditional South Indian feel. The interiors, whether it is the music, जैसे अभी तो आपकी वजह से music बंद कर दिया मैंने. Otherwise, we have a lovely instrumental South Indian music going on at the back. As far as the food is concerned, people started enjoying it. Slowly, people started getting in and started enjoying the food. And because it was not only the typical idli dosa that we were serving. We were serving thalis, we were serving different kind of dosas, different type of idlis. So that was the first time that people experienced something like that.
My favorite dish here is Benne Podi Masala, and it's such a gem. I think everyone should try it.
I have been coming for the past 3 years. Today I had the rasam, and I think that's something that's been added to the list.
Anything with cheese. I love like a rava masala dosa. 20 years at least. No, they've been here that long, I think. Earlier, the rava dosa was really nice, but I think the benne dosa has just taken it over. And today, in fact, we tried something new, which was idli with a Sri Lankan coconut stew, which is really fabulous.
It's been more than 7 years. Earlier, it was like a normal dosa, but like from last few years, it's a Benne Podi Masala dosa.
It's the first time we have come here. We have come from Zambia. And yes, and I've heard a lot about this place, so that's what it brought us over here, and the food is amazing.
One of my most favorite things I've had earlier is their mango lassi, which is really good.
So basically, other than Banana Leaf, we started Mahesh Lunch Home in New Bombay. Then we started Mahesh Lunch Home in Bangalore. As far as Malgudi is concerned, we have in all the malls of Bombay. We have another brand called K Sera Sera, which is again more of a international format, international cuisine. Other than that, Homemade Cafe, I like how I spoke to you about. There's another brand which is South High, which we have, which we started in 2017, but during COVID time we had to shut it down in Kamla Mills. But we promise you that we'll start that very soon. So basically, Sorozai is our Goan bar. It's more of traditional Goan cuisine. देखो यार, the comfort feel, the consistency. What is most important is the food has to be the same all the time whenever you taste it. And we have been fortunate enough that our team has maintained that consistency for years. Our team has been our strong support, and I have my partners who have always been together, thick and skin all the time. Our management team has been with us for last 20 years together. Right now we are sitting in our flagship store, which is going to complete 20 years next year. So ultimately it's the quality of food which matters the most, and a little bit different to what others serve. I mean, basically it's just not about idli and dosas, or it's about proper cuisine, like a little bit of Karnataka cuisine, a little bit of Andhra curries, a little bit of Chettinad, a little bit of maybe Kerala cuisine, mix of everything, all the curries, and all these makes a difference. And then we have our specialty idlis. So other than only serving regular steam or kanchipuram, we have these lovely masala idlis, which I would love you to taste, because our mulga idli, our Guntur idli, or maybe even our Coorg idli, these are something which I would recommend highly to everyone. We started Salt and Pepper only with 10 people, a very small team we had. Today in Banana Leaf itself, we have nearly 1,000 people working. And then other brands mix around, you have around about definitely more than 1,500 to 2,000 people working under us. So it's quite a big numbers. Never ever imagined यार. अभी हमने जब बनाना लीफ खोला तभी हमने कभी never thought that we'll be opening multiple. तभी तो था कि इसको संभालो, इसके पर ध्यान दो. So I mean from opening first to second, it took us 5 years to open the second outlet. 2012 में we opened a second outlet. Otherwise जो start किया था, the idea was only to manage the restaurant, be there full time, and see to it that every customer who goes, he goes with a smiling face. 20 years, I remember there are so many young couples who used to date each other, and after a few years you see them small kids, and then suddenly those kids have grown now. So all these regular customers, when you see them, you feel very happy that how these young guys, young couples have grown and made a family. Parents have become grandparents, and all these regular people, they come to us and they enjoy the food here. So we feel very proud about it. हमारे लिए तो सारे हमारे कस्टमर्स ही सेलिब्रिटी है, जो रेगुलरली आते हैं, जो आते हैं हमारे पास. वी आर सो हैप्पी टू वेलकम देम. बट ऐसे तो काफ़ी लोग आते हैं यार. आई मीन साउथ से प्रभुदेवा सर है, सुदीप है, अदरवाइज अरशद वारसी एंड मिनी माथुरा वेरी रेगुलर, and Mariah Goretti, and then Rani Mukherjee has come couple of times, Kangna Ranaut has come couple of times. You say, काफ़ी लोग आते हैं, and then they become part of our place here, so we feel very, very happy and proud. I have so many people who are there with me for last 20 years. Mr. Nayak is there for last 20 years. Rajesh, Babu, they all are with me for more than 20 years. All of them. Say hi.
Hi. My name is Dinesh Nayak, and I'm here from last say about around 20 years. बहुत कुछ देखा. That's the only restaurant that I see which has got an authentic taste, and we get all the masalas, ghee, helps, butter, everything from south.
My name is Rajesh Yadav. I am working with the 22 years in here.
20 साल पहले बनाना लीफ कैसा था?
बहुत अच्छा था. स्टार्टिंग से अभी तक अच्छे है सर, पूरा चल रहा बना. यस सर.
आपका फेवरेट डिश क्या है? क्या क्या बनाते हो आप?
फेवरेट तो पूरा सब फेवरेट ही है सर अपना. मूलगा इडली, पूर्ग इडली, इडली चिली, आंध्रा स्टाइल.
Well, from one outlet in 2007, today we have 20 outlets, and by this year end, I think we will be having 25. So we have 5 openings happening within next 5 months. Banana Leaf के लिए हमने we started with 40 people. Today we have more than 1,000. Numbers which started in a very modest way. Today we are reaching nearly 80 crores a year, which we will target by next year. Next fiscal year to reach 100 crores, company owned, and most of them it's an all company owned without any franchisee turnovers. Well, plans तो अभी from 20 to 25 जाना है very soon this year, And definitely we have much more plans which Sasha will give you about idea about where we are opening next 5 months. And Baki next year we have plans to, I mean next 3 years we want to multiply double. That is the idea.
Hi guys, I'm Sasha. Clearly, hospitality runs in the blood, and yeah, I'm his daughter. And
She's helping us in business development, in managing HR, and even managing the social media part of it.
yeah, I don't think they realize how big social media will be a part. But yeah, I'm helping them. We have like a lot of plans to grow. As he said, we started in 2007, our first outlet. Then we took 5 years to open the second one, and now in this year we're opening. In the coming months we're opening 5, like each per month. So definitely our team has become very strong. We have the capacity to grow, and yeah, we are planning to grow our outlets.
Multiply as much as possible in different cities of India,
Yeah,
and we want
not
to
just
cover most of-
franchisee based. I think we're opening company based outlets.
company also we are opening quite a few, and we want to target most of the cities in India.
What is Surat sir like at home?
I mean, he is a gold dad at the end of the day, but I mean, he is pretty much the same. We have a great relationship. Luckily, even in Banana Leaf, everyone is like a family. Everyone is so close. It's been so many years. It's cute. It's very obviously he built the brand, and it's equally close to all of us. And yeah, it's given us all a chance. It's created a whole business for everyone. And yeah, we're just helping it grow.
Here's what
We are
7 years.
So 7 years when this was our first outlet, and I remember coming here. We used to host like a lot of parties. I feel like my first.
We used to invite people for food.
Yeah, we used to invite people for food, and I feel like one of the birthday parties was very close up my first memories of Banana Leaf. I was very young, to be honest.
And sir, एक आखिरी सवाल, बनाना लीफ आपके लिए क्या है?
I mean, Banana Leaf is where our entire positioning बोलो या हमारा जो एक identity बोलो, that got recognized for me, my partners, and for the whole team. It is where we felt that we could give authentic cuisine to our customers, and it has made us feel so proud that we have achieved something that a lot of restaurants couldn't do it. I mean, starting and sustaining it for so many years, it is like everything to us. जब we start किया था कभी never thought that we'll come into this stage of life, but somehow God has been kind. Our customers have been very, very kind to us, that they have made us feel so larger than life and made us feel इतना हमको कि इतना प्यार दिया है हमको हमारे guest, हमारे customers ने, that there is words beyond, I mean it is beyond words to say that it is closest to my heart.